AMP, or Accelerated Mobile Pages, is an online publishing format developed by Google engineers to improve user experience. It is designed to load mobile web pages quickly and rapidly when clicked in the Google search results pages. In this example, I'm going to generate the AMP tag for this ad unit, and if you notice, there are multiple ad sizes configured for this one. Let's go to Tags, and for the tag type, select AMP tag. Continue. In AMP, there are certain rules in the ad sizes that when it has multiple sizes, secondary sizes must not be larger than the corresponding dimension of the primary size, and the secondary sizes must not be smaller than 2/3 of the primary size. And that's the reason why you see these error messages here on the page. Now, let's go ahead and do some experiment. I'll remove the smallest sizes in here, and notice that we are still left with this error message. I'll remove this. It's still in there because 728 by 90 is the primary size and 728 by 250 is bigger than the primary size. Now let me remove and do it in a different order. I'll start with the biggest one, which is 970 by 250, then 728 by 250, still no error. Then I start selecting 728 by 90. We have an error because 728 by 90 is smaller than 2/3 of the primary size. If I disable multi-size validation, we don't get an error regardless of the sizes that we define here. It is recommended that you enable size validation because it is good for your users. It is essential to get into the AMP caches. It represents best practices in accessibility, performance, and a whole lot more. And the errors will tell you that there is room to improve the experience of your users. Enabling AMP placeholders will add a code for placeholders and fallback. Enabling child-directed treatment will add a code to facilitate compliance to COPPA, or Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. Ad slot key values is an ad slot level or ad unit level key value targeting, which we discussed in the previous lessons, and it's completely optional. Once you're all done, click on Continue. You will notice that the AMP tag is only a body tag, and there is no corresponding header tag. And you should place this in the body section of your HTML. Here's an example. When generating multiple ad units at once, using Ad Manager Tag Generator and Tester, you have to select Accelerated Mobile Pages for your tag type, put in your network ID, and you can also enable some of the advanced options for the multi-size validation, placeholders, and for COPPA compliance. And this is where you put your ad unit code, sizes, the ad unit level, KVP or key value pair, and if you have any ad exclusion labels, you can add it in here. Click on the plus icon or button and add all the ad units that you wish to generate at once.